Okay, watch out for those. Yep, that's a point. It's running around. She's creeping. Go ahead and get up there. Whoa. Hey. Amber. Whoa, Amber. Whoa. Amber, bad. Sit. Stay. Yeah, go ahead and kind of work that side and I'll kick you. Whoa! Stay. I think it ran up further. She's kind of... Release. Oh, there we go. Right there. She smells it. Up. It ran. All right. I guess we'll let that one go. Dead bird.
We rocked right on that.
Yeah. Dead bird here. Dead bird here. Rose, let it go. Amber drop. Up, oh, dog's on point. Whoa, whoa. Dead bird. Here. Here.
We're gonna have to get that on video if you got it or me.
Yeah. Good girl. Drop.
Good girl, Harley.
Good dogs.
Good girl.
Good dogs.
Harley.
No, Rose. Got it, dead bird. Good shot.
There we go.
Whoa. Amber, sit. Stay. Steve. Amber, no. Hey. Bad dog. Whoa. Rose, release. Here it is, Chukar. Chukar. There's another one. 3 of them right here. One more right here. Steve, get here. I hope I didn't shoot your truck.
Where is it?
It's right here somewhere. Keep walking it out. Right here, to my left.
Oh, I see it. Harley, here. Harley.
See, there might be another one up there.
Harley. Harley, here. I'm going to walk up to you.
Okay, just a second. Let me bag this one.
You're ready, Mark. Station slides that way. Harley.
Yeah, walk it. I'm gonna try not to shoot at the vehicles this time. Edward.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good retrieve.
I want to see how I missed that one.
Put it in your bag. Now, there's still a bird.
Good girl.
There's still a bird. There. Amber. Good girl. Rose. Thank you. Dead bird, bring it here. Amber, Rose, bad. Amber, here, give it to Steve. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Whoa.
Amber.
Yeah, hold it up in front of you.
Good girl. Heck yeah.
All right. Nope, she locked on right in front of you. 20 yards.
Hurry up. Mark, he's got one locked up here.
Keep coming a little bit to me, Rich. A little bit to me. Straight ahead. You see her?
Where's she at, Trav? She's still locked up?
Yep. Ember's gonna crash it.
There you go. That'd be hard to miss.
Ah,
Nice shot.
good one. Dead bird here. Dead bird here.
Good job,
Spring it.
Rose.
Come on.
Good job. She locked that tight, didn't she?
Yeah, she held for a pretty good time. That's the problem with Ember. She doesn't always listen. She'll crash the party, but...
Thank you.
Ooh, stop. Whoa. That's his bird. Here. Here. Bring your bird. Dead bird here. Thank you. Give.
Shot right.
Good girl. Hold it up. Look at that. Oh, you plastered it.
There's not much of that left. I should have let it get out a little further out.
Oh, she's locked again.
Bill, we'll take a picture of it first.
Ember, no.
This is yours.
Ember, on her. Whoa. 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 Good girl. Do you see that? Both dogs.
That's awesome.
Dead bird here. Let's go. Leave it. Rose, come on. Rose, here.
I blew the whole leg off that thing.
Yeah. Ember, here. Let's go. Here. Dead bird here. Give it to Rich.
You got that one.
Did you shoot twice?
No.
No? Okay.
Shot once and you shot and it went down.
All right.
I think I started it and you finished it.
That was a tag team, huh?
Here. Point.
Is she pointing? Whoa. Hey. No. Ember. Whoa. Whoa. Bad, Ember, bad. Here. Here. Whoa. Ember. No. Bad, Ember, bad, Ember. Go ahead and walk up there by it. Ember. No. Here. Keep going. There!
I even tried to wait a little bit.
that bird went boom!
I said, okay, count to 2.
Good girl, Ember. Good girl. Rosebud, that's a good point.
She stuck that.
She's doing good. You're doing good, Rose. Yeah, that thing.
Fuck that up too.
Grab it and see. One breast is good. He took out a leg.
Are they in there too?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, Rose is on point.
Whoa, whoa.
I didn't even get a chance to shoot.
Dead bird, here.
I got the safety off. And
That's my girl. Drop. Good girl.
good girl, Rose. Yeah, Rose is on one.
Okay.
On her. Whoa.
Ember. No. Ember. Sit. No, bad dog. Sit. Ember. Stay.
Where you go, Rose? Where you go?
No. Ember. Bad dog. Get here. Get here. There, she's locked on again. Whoa. Whoa, Rose. Good girl, Rose. Dead bird, here. Go for it. I don't know why you let Ember take it every time. Ember, dead bird, here. Come on. Go to Steve.
Good job, Rose.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good girl. Here, it's all right. Give it to Steve. Drop. Good girl. Drop. Good girl. That's